record. Yeah.
Yo, surgeon, third as entertainment, Guzudan. Room 6, demigod, but we tell them, say, we a gal magnet, but we tell them.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Akona. And so today I'm going to be showing you my flawless foundation routine and also how to, like, I guess, cover acne scars. For some odd reason, and I said this in my last video, acne decided, like, my skin, like, I have acne marks on my forehead, but it goes away. But then for some reason, my right cheek, it wants to come back, and like now, like things like this, like when the dark spots and like the dark circles and the not dark circles, they're called what are these called? I don't know what they're called. Enough of that like side story. I'm gonna be showing you how I cover the acne scars and also how I like my flawless foundation routine. If you want to see how my makeup turns out, please continue to watch the rest of this video. And also, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. So I'm gonna do like a really cute, simple makeup look. So I didn't really go too hard on my eyeshadow, and I don't have lashes on. I just put mascara, and I did my eyebrows already. But the very first thing I'm gonna do to prepare, like, to help this like flawless foundation look is put moisturizer on. And I don't use a primer anymore, at least. One day I will, but just put the moisturizer on and rub it in your skin. And yeah, just rub it in. Very first thing I do, I would use a color corrector, but I'm not. But I do use my LA Pro Girl concealer in the espresso shade and use that as a corrector instead of the red one. I do this because it really helps hide my acne scars and these dark spots. So do that to hide that. And so basically, I hate to be that person that put, like, you don't have to go in as deep as me, but I'm just trying to cover it up. So I just do that. So then go on my forehead, get those acne marks. And honestly, I guess like since it works so well for me is because this concealer is like, I guess my my shade, or almost my shade. So if like you have a lighter complexion or even a darker complexion, just use a concealer shade that's like your not much lighter than you, one that is almost your like foundation. Like this could basically work as foundation, so basically use one that's like practically like a foundation, that's your foundation shade, and it will help cover it better and give you that final like fabulous look. Ew, I look like a hot mess right now, but you get the point. So now we're just gonna blend it all in with using your sponge. And see, it's right in with my skin, and acne, no more acne. Period. I mean, I do have a pimple, but you can't even see it. That's how good it is. You can't even see it on camera. I'm just gonna go in a little bit, penetrate the other cheek. I'm not gonna go like, it's hard because the other cheek doesn't really have much to hide, so yeah. Okay, so then what's next is I'm going to use my Fit Me powder in the dark shade, and do you see how airbrushed that is? Like, do you see how airbrushed that is? Like, what is that? Like, yeah, but just blend it out a bit. Okay, next thing we want to do, it's just the last thing, is we want to set it now with setting spray. So I use the NYX Dewy Finish. Okay, let it sit on my face for a bit. let it dry off. So now that I've put the setting spray on, this is the fun part. It's finally putting on the foundation. So I'm using the NYX Born Glow foundation in the mocha shade, and just gonna put that all on my face. Try not to go like, and note, this is key, less is more. Trust me, it's gonna help you in the end. Less is more, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and so do you see that, people? Do you see that? This is it's not the final look, but it's just the final after putting on foundation. And do you see how clear, like, there's no acne scars anymore. Like, it covered all my acne scars. And do you see how flawless this makeup looks? It looks so airbrushed. Like, it doesn't even look real. All right, so this is the final look, and do you see that? Like, do you just see that? Like, it's just so flawless. It is so, like, it looks so airbrushed, and like, look, no acne scars anywhere. Look, my forehead covered, no acne whatsoever. And just look at my nose contour. It's just so cute. It's so pretty. Like, but I'm really happy with the results. If you watched this video today, I hope you took away something from it, and I hope you're gonna like add something new to your foundation routine, or maybe like, you know, update it or improve it. Either way, I hope you took away something from this video, and I'm so happy that you sat here through it all to watch it. And if you want to see more content like this, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell.